Baduga Matrimony Connect. New bride update. ID number 1456. Female, 5.5 feet, 27 years, divorced. Educational qualification, BACSE. Preference, divorce or unmarried. We all wish her good luck, and a loving husband. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about every new Matrimony Connect update delivered directly to your phone. Our mission is to assist our community members in discovering their ideal life partners. Thank you for tuning in. Vision Baduga 2050. With heartfelt warmth, we extend our sincerest wishes to all the esteemed members of our cherished community, envisioning a future radiant with blessings, growth, and prosperity in all the fields. By Ramesh Kakkan.